Now, here's something crucial you must keep in mind. Even if you've gone through every step and there are no error messages, that doesn't always mean your listing is fully compliant or approved for sale. As mentioned earlier, if there are any category restrictions or compliance requirements, you still need to meet them. Amazon's system may not immediately detect these issues, but it will eventually flag them. When that happens, you'll be required to complete product approval or upload the necessary compliance documentation before you can continue selling that item. Let's take a closer look at how that process works. Amazon maintains a comprehensive list of prohibited products. These are items that sellers are strictly forbidden from listing or selling on the platform. You can access the complete list through the help section linked here. Additionally, Amazon has specific gated categories and products that require prior approval before you can list them. To sell in one of these restricted categories, you must first obtain what is called ungating. You can find the full list of categories and check which ones require approval. Keep in mind that even if the main category is open, some subcategories may still be gated. For example, Apple-branded or Apple-compatible accessories, such as iPhone, mobile covers, chargers or cables, fall under Amazon's restricted brands list. You cannot sell products that display the Apple logo or use Apple's registered trademarks unless you are an authorized reseller or hold direct approval from Amazon. However, if you are selling generic mobile covers that simply fit iPhone models without displaying the Apple logo, without referencing Apple in branding, and without infringing on any trademarks, you can usually sell them as unbranded or private label items. In such cases, your product title and description should focus on compatibility rather than brand association. For example, you can write mobile cover compatible with iPhone 17 instead of iPhone 17 mobile cover by Apple. Always double-check your listing content to ensure it does not imply affiliation with Apple or any other restricted brand. If Amazon detects potential trademark infringement, your listing may be removed or your account may be flagged for violation. The ungating process varies in complexity. For certain categories, you only need to fill out a short online form and answer a few basic questions. For others, you might have to upload supporting documentation and invoices for review. I will include links to those application pages in the description below. Compliance becomes especially critical when it involves product safety. Some products must undergo testing and certification before they are eligible for sale. Examples include electronics, food items, beauty and skincare products, toys, and baby-related goods. You will not be permitted to list or sell any of these items without submitting the proper safety documentation. Typically, your supplier or manufacturer should already have these certificates and testing reports ready. If they do not, you'll need to get your products tested and certified independently by an accredited laboratory, which can be expensive. This is why it's so important to verify compliance requirements early on and ensure your supplier can provide the required paperwork before proceeding with bulk orders. Fortunately, Amazon provides a product compliance or safety and compliance section that helps you determine whether your product requires certifications. When you open the compliance section, click on the provided tool link. A disclaimer will appear stating, if you supply products for sale on Amazon, you must comply with all applicable laws and Amazon policies for each of those products and product listings. The information on this page is provided for informational purposes only, and it is the seller's responsibility to verify the accuracy before submission. Scroll down and search for the type of product you plan to sell. The tool will indicate whether specific documentation or testing certifications are required. For instance, if you want to sell children's toys or plush dolls, they might appear simple and harmless at first. But when you check Amazon's compliance tool, you will find that they fall under strict safety standards such as ASTM F963 and CPSIA. To sell these items on Amazon, you must provide proper documentation, including test reports from an ISO 17025 accredited laboratory, confirming that your products comply with these child safety regulations and are made from non-toxic materials. Also, be sure to review the dangerous goods compliance section. If your product contains batteries or materials classified as hazardous, you will need to provide the required dangerous goods documentation as specified there. As you can see, if you source products like these from a factory or small manufacturer that cannot provide ASTM F963 or CPSIA certification, you could end up with inventory that cannot legally be listed or sold on Amazon. And that's not the end of it. There is still one more factor that can prevent your listing from going live, which I will explain in the next step.